Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw support and resistance lines in case you missed the lesson last Wednesday. So when we come into the charts, we want to go over to the time frame here in the top left and click once. This will bring up all the ranges of time frames which we can go to. We want to go to the 1 week. So when this loads, we'll now have a chart with each candle representing 1 week of price movement. So if we come over to the top again and click on this symbol, we can change it to the line. This will make it easier to draw the support and resistance zones. On the left are all our tools, so if we click on this button here to extend all the other options, go to the horizontal line. From here we want to start drawing the line support and resistance zones. So if we come in here, we'll see there's three peaks. So if we draw one line here, then we've incorporated only these three and nothing else here. So we want to move this up a little bit to get the full range of all the peaks and troughs. So this is the highest in this area, and this one is the lowest. So as you can see, it now has these two and also these three peaks in it. Also, if you scroll back in time, you'll see there's reactions off this zone here and here and there. So now we want to continue doing this. I'm just going to turn off this price line. Okay, so if we do it down here, we want to take this peak and this peak. You don't always, you don't just want to look at 2 points, you also want to scroll back and see what else is happening. So as you can see, we probably want this one a little bit higher. And then we can actually move this one up there. And then we can draw a different zone like this. Now the lines might start getting confusing and you might not know which are the support and resistance and everything, so you can actually go where this brush is, click here and then go on the rectangle and then actually draw a solid zone here like this. This will make it easier to distinguish between zones. You can customize the colors by right clicking, going format, and then here you can change the border color and opacity here, thickness here. I'm just going to stick to blue. So now after we've drawn them all, we can go back to the candlestick chart by going at the top here and changing the chart to candlesticks, then going back to the weekly scale and going on the 1 hour, which we'll be trading off most of the time. And from here we'll be able to see the interactions with the support and resistance zones, this being resistance. We won't actually be trading off these zones, but it is important to know where they are. Because say we're going long or buying the market at this point, we wouldn't want the target beyond the support, because this means that obviously when price comes up to the resistance, sorry, not support, resistance, it's likely to reverse as it does here. So we'd want to take targets just before, which in this case would be easily hit like this for a nice trade. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching.